Hello, my name is Ankur. Here is AIL project Haryana with Telangana. Soap is useful in the hand washing and cloth washing. So now understand its working. Soap is derived from triglycerides, which are the fat storage molecule used by almost all plants and animals. Animal fats and vegetable oils are almost just pure triglycerides. There are two major parts of triglycerides molecule: the glycerol backbone and the fatty acid tails. An ester bond connects the tail to the backbone, and it's a relatively sensitive bond. When triglycerides are treated with a strong base like sodium hydroxide, they undergo a saponification reaction. This leads to the breaking of the ester bond and the formation of glycerol and fatty acid salts. Desalted fatty acids are pretty much about what is the salt. One end has a strong charge separation which makes it polar, while the long carbon chain tail is non-polar. The polar end is hydrophilic literally, meaning water loving, and the chain is hydrophobic meaning fat loving. In generally, non-polar molecule dissolve in non-polar liquid like oils, and polar molecule dissolve in polar liquids like water and form the micelle. Now let me understand what is the micelle. A cluster of particles behave as colloidal particle is called a micelle. Micelle is formed when we add a soap in our water. When a soap is dropped in a water, there is a molecule generated which has hydrophilic and hydrophobic end. Here the hydrophilic end attached toward the water molecule and hydrophobic end attached toward the oil molecule, which make a circle or a ball like structure which are called micelle, and this help in the cleaning action of soap.